Learning to like yourself starts with when you don't care about what anyone else says or thinks of you. People can always have so much to say about someone. So much. But especially now in the world of, social media and, people just having so many different things to say about you and trolls. So you just have to kind of understand that what anyone else has to say doesn't define who you are. You'll always be who you are. But the main thing is you have to first know that here. You gotta know that here. And here is where everything starts. You knowing who you are. Okay?